Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video, we're going to give you a beginner's guide to using a hammer drill. So a hammer drill specifically is a tool to be used when you need to drill into concrete, masonry, brick, any really hard surface. The idea behind a hammer drill is exactly as the name implies. It drills and it hammers. Now, the trick when you're using any kind of tool like this, they tend to be a little bit larger because, the bits and the size of what you're going to be going into require more power. So this is a pretty powerful one right here. They come in both corded and cordless versions. Most have keyless chucks like this where you just loosen that up to replace the blade. Now, specific to masonry is a masonry blade. If you look closely, this doesn't look like a regular drill bit. You'll see there's almost like an extra piece of metal. That tends to be a carbide tip right there to allow you for cutting. And the metal that this is made out of, because it not only has to withstand the pressure of spinning, but hammering at the back end. So it's very important that you buy the corresponding bit that's the right size. Now on the top here, there'll be settings on these hammer drills where right now it's set at hammer and drill, but if you turn it, you can get it and have it have a clutch where you could use this as a drill also. It doesn't necessarily have to be used as a hammer, but when it comes time to drilling into the masonry, which I'll do in a little bit, you crank it all the way over to where the hammer and the drill is. This one also has 2 speeds. So there's a 1 and a 2. The 1 is for torque. But when you're drilling into masonry, chances are you're going to want more speed, so you're going to be on 2. And then this handle, which is typical on a hammer drill, because you've got to apply so much pressure, allows you to safely use the tool with 2 hands. So if you've got to drill any holes into brick or masonry or concrete, then a hammer drill is the tool of choice. If you'd like to learn more about this Milwaukee hammer drill, that video is coming up next.